Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is Thumbnail Blaster. It's been out for about a year and a half, and special offer right now, you can get it for $36.86. And why is that a big deal? Let's go inside and have a quick look. Attention grabbing thumbnails in 3 clicks, and I'll show you how that works. The part that really is going to jump out at you is that case studies have shown you can triple your video traffic by changing the thumbnail. So this makes attention grabbing thumbnails. There you go. So let's see, where are we here? Right up there. Let's just go inside. 3 steps. There you go. Select a template. They're all there. Or 30 templates. Bam, bam. Click Edit Customize. Or you can let them customize the template for you. You don't have to do anything. It can be done pretty easy. Clicking, push, pull, and drag. Clicking point and click. There we go. And then publish and get views. And so you take your thumbnail. There you go. These kind of things with big words and eye-catching graphics way outdo some of the other things. So that's all you need to get triple the views to your videos. And hardly anybody is using the thumbnail creator. So this really still works very well. Special offer right now, $36.86. You can do this. And there you go. Thumbnail Blaster, and away you go. Yeah, I think I'm going to skip through all that. More views, obviously that makes sense. And really the end of it all, that's the part that matters. $36.86. So click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Then you click the product box and you're at this page and you can grab it for $36.86. Special that's going on right now for Thumbnail Blaster. Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com.